Did you know that worn-out wiper blades can reduce your visibility by up to 50% in heavy rain? That's like driving half-blind in dangerous conditions. Yet most people ignore their wipers until they're streaking, squeaking, or just completely useless. But here's the good news. You don't need to rush out and buy new wipers just yet. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick 30-second trick that can restore your wiper blades like new, improve your visibility, and even extend their lifespan, all using stuff you probably already have at home. So if you're tired of blurry windshields, annoying streaks, and wipers that just don't do their job, sticking around this simple fix will change the way you maintain your car forever. Let's get started. Step number 1. Deep clean with vinegar and baking soda. Start by grabbing a small bowl and mixing 1 part white vinegar with 1 part water. Vinegar is a powerful natural cleaner that breaks down dirt, grease, and grime that build up on your wipers over time. Give it a quick stir, and you're good to go. Now, take a microfiber cloth or an old rag and dampen it with the vinegar mixture. To boost its cleaning power, sprinkle a little baking soda directly onto the cloth. Baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, helping to remove stuck-on debris and oxidation that makes wiper blades dry out and streak. Lift your wipers up so you can easily access the rubber blades. Now, firmly wipe along the edge of each blade, going back and forth. You'll immediately start to see black residue coming off. That's all the dirt and oxidation that's been ruining your wiper performance. Keep wiping until the blade looks clean and smooth. Once the blades are scrubbed clean, grab a fresh damp cloth, just plain water this time, and wipe off any remaining vinegar or baking soda residue. Then, take a dry cloth and gently dry the blades to prevent streaking. Number 2. Use rubbing alcohol for a streak-free finish. It removes grease, oil, and invisible residue that cause streaks and skips. It helps condition the rubber, keeping your wipers smooth and flexible for longer-lasting performance. Grab a soft microfiber cloth or a cotton pad and pour a small amount of rubbing alcohol onto it. You don't need much, just enough to dampen the cloth. If you're on the go, you can even use alcohol wipes for a quick fix. Lift your wipers up and firmly wipe along the rubber edge with the alcohol-soaked cloth. Move back and forth a few times, making sure to clean the entire surface. You'll notice black residue coming off. That's all the built-up dirt, grime, and old rubber particles that have been causing poor performance. Once you've wiped both wipers, let them air dry for about 10 seconds. The alcohol will evaporate quickly, leaving behind a streak-free, residue-free surface. Now, spray your windshield with washer fluid and test your wipers. You'll instantly notice a smoother, quieter swipe and much clearer visibility. For maximum clarity, wipe your windshield with a glass cleaner after cleaning your wipers. This prevents dirt from transferring back onto the blades and keeps your wipers working perfectly for longer. Number 3. Rejuvenate the rubber with silicone spray. Silicone spray is a rubber conditioner that restores flexibility and prevents cracking. Over time, heat, cold, and UV exposure cause wiper blades to dry out and lose their smooth swipe. Applying a thin layer of silicone spray keeps the rubber soft, extending the life of your wipers and improving their performance. Before applying the silicone, wipe the blades down with a damp microfiber cloth to remove dirt and grime. If the blades are really dirty, you can use rubbing alcohol or a vinegar water mix to clean them thoroughly. Let them dry completely before moving to the next step. Spray a small amount of silicone lubricant onto a clean cloth. Don't spray directly on the blades, as this can make them too slippery. Lightly rub the cloth along the rubber edge of the wiper blades. A thin coat is all you need. Let the silicone sit for 10 or 15 minutes so it can absorb into the rubber.